Hello there, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Topolino MCM E8 AS6. Every decoder comes with a unique serial number, every decoder is filmed before we ship. So you gain an idea once again how the tool works, but here this is gonna be the general video instructions. This is how the tool comes to you, the Topolino itself, tension, additional tension handle, reset tool, and reset cap. Now this is my key. As you can see, the code here is quite diverse. We have very deep and very shallow codes, which is great for video tutorial. I'm gonna show you how the whole of the lock looks like. You can see with simple eye that the pins are positioned on the left side. So basically you grab the tension and you insert it here, right on this edge, like this. Here on this side we have space for inserting the general Topolino tool. I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, stationary enough. Now here this is sliding button. If you take a look up close, the moment I slide the button up, there is a sliding metal element that goes through the pins. This sliding element protects the pins whenever you insert and whenever you extract. So basically whenever you insert, the sliding button should be up. Whenever you extract, again, it should be up. I'm gonna, of course, demonstrate that. Whenever you reset and during the opening operation, the sliding button should be down. So the first step, reset the tool. Slide the button down. There is an arrow here, you see it, and an arrow on every reset cap. In the bigger hole, you simply insert the blade. Again, I repeat, make sure the sliding button is down. Reset the pins one by one, independently sliding pins. Extract the cap. And here you can see how the pins should look like before you start the operation. Now I will remove the pins again so that you can see it up close. The pins are fully reset. I slide the button up. This is the correct position on the tool. So the tool is pointing down to the ground. Even if you want to insert it like this, it's not possible. So the button is pointing down. I insert it, and from this point on, I simply slide the button back and I start the operation. The moment I want to extract the tool, I simply slide the button up and I extract it. Okay, so this is down or back towards the black Topolino handle. Tighten this. This is back. Now, this, as the name suggests, tension handle. This is where we apply tension. Not here on the black handle, but here. So tension is once up and you go left, because on the left are the pins. So up, left, neutral, release. Now down, left, neutral, release. This is where you apply medium tension. Here it's very gently. So down, left, neutral, once up, once down. The deeper the code, the longer the time of the opening. And you have free and very smooth turning on both sides. Now, in order to extract the tool, once again I will repeat, this is the straight neutral position. In straight neutral position, you slide the button up and you extract the tool. So from this point on, this keeps the code. Now there is a trick here. go up, insert, and now to make sure you keep the code, you have to slide back the button, but very gently, because otherwise you risk the movement of the pins to lose the code. And that's it. So you have free turning on both sides again, even after removal of the tool out of the lock. Of course, non-disruptive opening as usual. You can use the cylinder lock with no issues, etc. Here on the back, with the help of the reset tool, you'll find a small plastic bag with 8 spare pins. In the next part of this video, we're gonna show you how to change the pin. And basically that's it. So, Topolino MCM E8 AS6 Lucky Locks. Okay, so in this part of the video, we are gonna show you how to change the pins of MCM. This is how these are the components. All you need are some tweezers. You will see that the top of the tweezers are very sharp to obtain small objects such as the pins. Now the pins are located on the back of the tool. With the help of the reset tool, you remove the cap. Inside you will find small plastic bag with 8 spare pins. Okay. This is the size of the pin. As you can see, it's very tiny. Now we're gonna extract one pin. On this side you will insert the pin. What is very important for you to see is the canal of the pin. So this is where it will go. On the other side it leads on the side. So basically you have to follow the movement of the pin. On a flat surface, on the edge of a table or a desk, you grab the pin, you insert it on one side on an angle. It's right into the canal, and so one of the side of the pins is low, one is up, and now you have to adjust it correctly, and with the help of the hex key you simply push it down. Now what needs to be done in order for the pin to move smoothly? You have to move it a few times with the help of the hex key, so that you can ensure that your pin has the correct and smooth traction of movement. You do it 6-7 times or more, it doesn't matter, a few times is enough. And basically this is how to change the pin of MCM Topolino Decoder.